Hello, everyone. So I want to introduce to you about the Accelerated AWS Cloud Masterclass because I got many feedbacks from the students that they want the class to be a bit of shorter duration and also to concentrate. Coming classes, the dates I will announce. The Accelerated Masterclass will be actually concentrating on one topic. For example, let's say EC2 deep dive or S3 storage deep dive, or let's say AWS security, let's say AWS load balancer and all these things. So it will be a 1 hour class and it will be on a weekday or weekdays. The dates and schedule I will actually notify it to you. So please stay tuned. And those 1 hour which you will actually join this live session, you will have the recordings of that particular web session. Have attended this training on AWS cloud component. So for example, if you attend the EC2 deep dive session, then you will have that particular certificate of attendance that you actually have attended and understand or know the EC2 services of AWS in general way. So I welcome you all. Please stay tuned for the dates and I will see you in. Click on the links, whatever we'll be sending to you, and I'll see you in the webinar.